Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. First of all, find your Google application and go into. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so click it and go into settings. Then choose voice option, and here I need go into voice match. Then click here to activate Hey Google on this device. Need access your Google Assistant, click next, agree to voice match, I agree, and press continue. And that's it, we activate our Hey Google option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.